Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI MatePad 11.5 and let me share with you how to reset app preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down to find the apps and services. Let's tap. Now let's tap on apps, so at the top of the list, and 4 dots icon in the right upper corner. As you can see at the bottom of this list, we've got Reset App Preferences, so the option we're looking for. Let's simply tap on it, and here your device is informing you what it will actually reset, so among others, disabled app notifications, default apps, and permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so you can safely tap on Reset, and actually this is it. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.